Homemade Amish Hornet Trap. Pests such as hornets and yellowjackets are not only annoying, but also dangerous to those who have a bee sting allergy. While hornets have a place in the ecology, no one wants them hovering around the picnic table. The greatest hazard is during the warm summer months, when everyone is enjoying the outdoors. Fortunately, the Amish have a simple recipe that attracts and traps flying pests, including hornets, yellowjackets and flies. This project takes less than an hour to complete. Things you'll need: 1 2-liter plastic soda bottle, 1 banana peel, 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup sugar, twine or cord. Pour 4 cups of water into an empty 2-liter soda bottle. Add the vinegar, sugar and banana peel to the bottle. Shake well to mix. Tie twine or a strong cord around the top of the bottle. Tie the other end to a tree branch or under the eaves of the house. Place the bottle downwind from your windows and patio. Within a week, the banana peel will ferment and attract hornets, yellowjackets and flies. Add more water as needed, it will evaporate quickly in hot weather. When the bottle is disgustingly full, carefully pour the contents into the compost pile or down the toilet.